right, guys, here we go again. I kind of got a lot of stuff done, not on film, but I did take pictures. So I got the exhaust finalized with the muffler in there. It's all welded up, looks really killer. I didn't put the exhaust tip on just yet because I need to kind of situate that a little bit. Just wanted to make sure the exhaust tip was just right when it's sitting on the ground. As you can see, it's sitting on the ground right now. And I have that all buttoned up. I made hangers. I header wrapped the muffler. So I'll send the photos, or we'll go to photos right now. Bam! Okay, and we're back. I got all the clamps on everything. I got all the vacuum lines, clamps on, throttle cables on. I put new spark plugs in it, fresh oil, everything. And we got all of the kind of little things buttoned up. So it's down, it's on the ground. And I got the intake in there. Just have to make a little bracket so it sticks over a little bit. Anything else? Anything else? I don't know. So what my plan is right now is to fire this thing up. And we'll see how it sounds. Yeah, let's go to that. Okay, guys. Not gonna lie. I started it already. But just for you. Start again. I'll walk around a little bit. It's pretty sweet. Up like instantaneously. So I already had it kind of running for a little bit. All the smoke's kind of burnt off. I believe it's already up to temp. You look through the window there, you can see it. It's at about 58. It's got a 160 stat in it, so it's pretty much perfect. But yeah, she looks good. But now my plan is to get it from here out there. Maybe give it a wash, clean it up a bit. So yeah, let's go to that. Alrighty, guys. So she's out in the boot. Look at that. Smoke's amazing. Doesn't smoke at idle though, which that's kind of concerning. But anyways, she looks dolly. Definitely looks dolly. Pretty cool. But for the fun part, let's go for a ride. Wow. I'm gonna see if I can get you mounted up here like the good old days. Alrighty. Kind of shove you in there. Maybe clean the lens off a bit. Alright, not sure if you guys can see me, but you'll definitely be able to hear it. And I need to close the hood because that would be awkward. So I'm pretty sure it's valve seals. At least I'm telling myself that. I did do a compression test and everything seems to check out. 120 to 115 across the board, even. So I'm hoping it's just the valve seals. But anyways, she seems to be running good. So I put the intake right here, as you saw, kind of in this area. Didn't realize how loud it was going to be in the cabin. Like, it's proper loud in the cabin, as you'll see in a second here. She also makes a lot of purrs, and I'm slightly sad that I'm driving it because it's a little bit salty on the road, but I'm having too much fun, so it doesn't matter really. Anyways, listen to this. Ooh, what am I? Sounds like I'm in Australia or something, man. This thing always fluttered like crazy. Have no idea why. I think it might be the China tailgate. I actually bought a real tailgate, and I decided to put that on the drag truck. I don't know why. This one works, makes choo-choo noises. But sure as hell hauls ass. Alright, camera cut out there. So I pulled over quick. I also kind of want nobody behind me if I'm doing anything dumb. And well, you know, this car is just dumb in general, so, you know, like, let's see how fast I can catch up to this guy. Okay guys, this thing is ridiculous. Keeping in mind, that wasn't anywhere near wide open throttle. I'm not sure, I caught up to this guy in like split second. Not even near full throttle. When this car goes full throttle, you actually hear the engine over the turbo. It goes like a swoop, and I was just tickling into it. I think I just saw the methanol turn on, so that's about 10 pounds, because that's when the meth turns on. So the only other thing I noticed, she scrapes my exhaust system. Pretty badass. I like it. Turned out really good. But sure as hell scrapes. So that's gonna conclude my video here. I hope you guys really enjoy this this build. I'm gonna say like about 16,000 more times. So if you guys can just like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, try to build this channel, have some fun, and hope you guys are enjoying this. See you.